Hello everyone, welcome to ACE online class, and this is Narendra. So, the exam festival is going on and you know the importance of number series in the bank exams. 5 questions, whether it is a prelim or even in main. Let us begin here. Some wonderful questions we are going to discuss here, and this is what your very first question is. So, I can see that the question mark is lying over here. Question mark is lying over here, you need to find out what comes over here. So, we will have some closer look at the on the sequence. So, when you look at this part, look at this one, this is close to 400, yes or not, and coming over here, so this is 1200 plus or something like that. So, can you notice that some what kind of relation is possible? So, okay. So, I will take one more clue to you over here. Look at these two numbers 100 and 150. What kind of relations you understand? When I when I went on this number, I understood that this must be an multiplication. That comes into the notice. And when I move on to the next these two number, if it is multiplication, what could be the multiplication that 100 you are multiplying, you are getting 150. Think about it, your 30 seconds starts now over here. Right, my dear friend, whether you are watching live now or those who will watch, the important questions I am going to discuss 10 questions today. Come on, some of you can answer the question. I gave you the clue. It is a multiplication here. What could be the multiplication over here? Identify it. All my dear friends, very good evening. Come on, answer the question. I can see at your place 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and your time is over. So, now I will be answering the question. In the meanwhile, you try it. If you get the answer, I will be very happy. Now, come on and solve this question. I noticed that it could be 1.5 into 1.5, 100 into 1.5, 1500. So, what I noticed over here to here, the moment it strikes that it is into 1.5, then what is 2 times of 150, that is 300, and half of 150, that is 75. So, I noticed that this is into 2.5. So, when I notice over here, it could be 3.5, I am not sure of it, but in the examination what I will try to do is, let it take some risk. Here it is 3.5, 2.5, 1.5. So, what should be this multiplication? This multiplication, any one of my friend answer the question, any of my friend answer the question. So, it should be 0.5, multiply this by 0.5. So, by what number you should multiply this by 0.5 in order to get the 100? So, obviously it is 200 and my option choice is C. That is all. Next question on your board is this. So, I will give you the clue that how do you identify this. So, look at these 3 numbers. Look at these 3, 96 and then went up to 120 and then again comes down to 88. Is it the only thing? I will take one more number to analyze that what kind of number it is flowing on, so that I can analyze the I can think about the logic. So, the number increased, decreased and increased. When it happens, when there is some addition, multiplication, subtraction, addition, subtraction. Come on my dear friend, your 30 seconds starts now. And if you can answer the question, answer it my dear friends, answer it. I do not know for what reason I am not able to see anyone's comment. I am not able to see anyone's comment. And even if one question helps you, please like this. So, let me again restart it. Come on. Still at my end 2 seconds, 1 second and then 0. Okay. So, now I will tell you that what should it be done, because previously I have given the clue over here, the increasing and decreasing. So, Oh, very good, very good. Now I can see that solution for success. Very, very good evening, my dear friend. After a long time, I can see you. Solution for success 112. 112 option A is right. Let me check that. Yes. Well done. Well done, my dear friend. So, what you must have understood this one. So, as this is the question mark over here, so I will get the clue from here to here. So, I notice that this is minus, how much is that? Is it minus 24 or plus 24? So, it is plus 24 and from here to here it is minus 32 and from here to here it is plus 40. It is clear? Now, when I come, it is a success solution for success, that from here to here minus 8, from here to here minus 8. So, from here to here minus 8, it should be 16 over here. From here to here it is 16 and minus 8, it should be the same way. If I go for minus 8, then it should be 8. So, and please notice that as plus minus plus, then this is a minus and from here to here it should be plus. So, that is 104 plus 8, 112. You beautifully answer the question, option choice A. Come on, I am moving on to the next question. Is solution for success can answer all the questions. Let me give you some clue with these numbers. These numbers, that is 12, 24 and 60. What you are understanding here? 12 and 24 into 2, I can understand that. Okay, that is how we get the clue in the exam, that some number or the part of the sequence will give us the clue. I notice that it is into 2. Yes, my dear friends, I notice that it is into 2, but is it multiplication from here to here? I know that 24 into 2 is 48 and the half of 24 is 12. 48 plus 12 is 60. So, I notice that it is into 2.5. I will give you 30 seconds for you to answer the question and this is your time. Answer it. Come on, come on. Is it only solution for success answering the question? Come on, my dear friends. Answer it. Number series, 5 questions in the exam. We all know that. We all know that. You have still 8 seconds to answer the question. 8 seconds to answer the question. Let us together practice for all the banking exams. Okay, okay. Now, I notice that what is the answer? Option choice D, 180. Oh my God. Solution for success. Let me check that. You are right. You are right. So, what did you notice over here? So, you must have noticed that from here to here it is into 1.5. Am I right? And if I come over here, so into 2 and from here to here it is 2.5. So, obviously, it should be into 3 and into 3 that comes 180. Your answer is correct, my dear friend. 10 question every day, whichever chapter it is. The next question on your board is this. And what is this number? That is 102 and so on so forth. Where from I get any clue on this number? Can I get any clue from this number? I am not giving any close look, but you can notice that the number is in a decreasing order. Come on, you have 30 seconds in your hand, and Tabitha madam has or the Anusha madam has answered it. Option D. That's great. That's great. Come on. Can some of you answer the question? This question. Question number 4, total 12 questions. Please do not forget the ACE online, the recorded course is there with the minimum fees. Please visit our Google Play, download the ACE online app, you will get a beautiful course over there. So, anyone answer the question? Once again the solution of success is option E of 47. Yeah, that is right, my dear friend. beautifully answered the question. So, how did you answer it? Let me know that. No, you notice that, Mr. Solution for success, you notice that the number is in a decreasing order, and you have seen that the decreasing order is in a very low rate. So, as a result, you have checked that the how much minus here. So, you notice that this is minus 3, this is minus 5, and this is minus how much is that? Minus 9, and you notice that this is minus 15, and you looked at the logic on these numbers. What is this logic? So, you might have taken the difference over here 2, the difference is 4, the difference is 6. So, the difference has to be 2, 4, 6, then the difference will come 8, that means 23. So, you will subtract 23 and you will be getting 47 as your answer. Beautifully done it in a very limited time. The next question on your board is this. Okay. Now, how do I analyze this one? I will take these two numbers to identify that whether it is a addition or multiplication. So, for my knowledge, I notice that into 3. If I multiply this this number into 3, then I am getting closer to this number, not exactly, closer to that number, right. So, this is the clue for you. Now, your 30 second starts now. Come on, answer the question. Okay, these two members are very actively answering the question, and I do not know what is your real number solution for success. If you can write down your real number, I will be very happy to call you with your name. Come on. So, in your screen 12 seconds, there is only a gap of 4 to 5 second gap of relay. Will you be able to answer the question? Anyone, you have 1 second more, your time is up. But I will be answering the question and at the same time, you please try to answer the question. You know 5 question comes in banking. So, when I notice over here to here, so 17.5 is 85, that strikes to me, because I already said that this one. So, this indicates that it is a multiplication. So, here 17.5 is 85, then I take this as 90 and 360, that is how I will look at. Anyone answer? Anyone answered? Very clearly mentions that it could be into 4, right, and it could be into 3. So, from here to here, if I follow the order to 3, 4, 5, so it could be into 6. And anyone? That's great, my dear friend Prashanti. 2159, the first person to answer the question. And Prashanti, let me check your answer is correct or not. Option choice A you said, leave that time. Option choice B 2159, well done, good speed. So, that is you notice that here that's it comes 12, then plus 5 is 17, and then 17.5 is 85, and 85 plus 4, you notice that plus 5 plus 4. So, I am getting some clue over here. It should be that is 4 9 is 36, carry 3, and 4 8 32 35 and followed by, so plus 3 over here. So, I am getting this one, then that is right. Now, I will not check the multiplication there. So, into 3, that is 5 4 3 and 2 and 1. And what should be the multiplication over here? 6 5 4 3 2. Okay, well done. So, your answer choice you said, what you said? Option B. All my friends have correctly answered the question. Please join ACE online, at least download the app. Go to the Google Play, download the app. Your next question on the board is this. Let me see that the Prashanti, I think the Prashanti can be the first person to answer the question. So, here identify the wrong number. Now, can I give you any clue on this? So, I take these 3 numbers, look at this one 1900, close to 200, close to 1000, and it seems to be multiplication over here, but when I look at this part, no multiplication, the multiplication logic fails here. So, what it could be? Could it be addition? I leave it for you. Prashanti, solution for success, and Anusha madam, try this. I am giving 30 seconds to you to think of it. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, didn't I put the option over here? No. Okay. So, take few seconds, answer the question. Once more the Prashanti has first person to answer the question, and she says option C, option C. That's option C is 15. So, this one is wrong. Okay. Well done, well done. What could be the logic? Your preparation is very, very good. I noticed that here it is 9, it can be written as 3 square. Now, from here to here, what is the difference? The difference is 125. So, it can be taken as 3 cube, 5 cube. Okay. It could be taken as 5 cube, right. This is the only number decreasing, therefore, the 15 is wrong number cannot be said, because there are many a time the very next number is smaller and then keep increasing. Okay. Prashanti, I really see that your preparation is at par to clear the exam. Now, what is the difference from here to here? Now, when I look at the difference from here to here, I notice that this is 49 is the difference, which is 7 square. So, 3 square, 5 cube, 7 square, is this difference is in the form of cube, and that should be 3, 5, 7. The 9 cube, and the 9 cube is 729. Let me check that one, all my dear friends. So, that is 15 carry 1 and 2, and well done, well done. So, what should be this one over here? This is 9, 7, 5, 3, 2. So, it should be 2 cube, and 2 cube is 8. Am I right? No, odd number, odd number. So, 1 cube, these all are the odd number, 1 cube is 1. So, this number is a wrong number, it should be 14, rightly said option C. I am very happy, very talented students are there in this batch today. Moving on to the next question. 10 questions will be discussed here, it is the 6th question. Now, here is the question. Let me see. Where from I get a clue? Now, I see that 17 and 9.5 and 10.5 and 22 and 89. Can I look at this number? Can you notice that here this number and this number, it is double? Yes or not? But when I come to this part, it is 4 times of the previous number. So, is it possible that close into 2 into 4 kind of relation possible? I will leave it for you, and your time starts now, my dear friends. Come on. This time also, can Prashanti be the first person to answer the question? Come on, my dear friends. This time also, can you be the first person to answer it before solution of success? Before Anusha? Come on, answer it. I can see at your end 10 second, 9 second, there is only a gap of 4 second gap from relay. Oh my God, 7:46. My dear student Prashanti, you are well prepared. So, you are saying 7:46, that means option choice E. Option choice E, question number 7. Let me check that. No, madam, no, no, no. I think option A, yes, rightly said Anusha. Rightly said Anusha. Now, come on over here. Let us see that what could be the logic. I already given some clue for this, that this number from here to here, I noticed that it could be into 2, this could be into 4. So, based on this logic, let us work out here, and from here to here, it could be into 0.5, it could be into 2 as I gave the clue. So, if it is into 2, then 21. Yes, yes Anusha, you must have done in the same way, that is 21, and the number is 22, that means plus 1, and from here to here we notice that into 4. So, that means 88 and 88 plus 1 is 89, we got it. Now, what about this to this number here into 4 into 2 into 1 into 0.5. So, into 0.5 I will be getting this one as 8.5 plus this 0.5 over here I am getting no, in all the cases plus 1. So, if in all the cases plus 1 is there, go for plus 1 over here. Yes Anusha, you must have done this way. Where is my dear friend solution of success? Oh, 713. Okay, okay, let me check the answer. Let me check the answer. You are right. You are right. 713. Okay. Hope this time the Anusha strike the answer before anyone can do it. Okay. This is what the relation it is. That's 8.5 plus 1, that comes 9.5. Then into 1 it will remain same, and plus 1 I am getting 10.5. Therefore, what should be my logic number should be over here 0.5, double is 1, double is 2, double is 4, double is 8. So, multiply this by 8 and you are getting 712, and add 1 you are getting 713. That should be your answer, option A. Well done. The next question on your board is this. Okay, today is the short class, only 10 questions from the number series, my dear friend. Now, here look at these numbers, look at these numbers. What is this number is indicating? Look at that part of the number. So, it is very clear, multiplication. I am sure solution for success, I love to know your real name, sir. Here it is into 6. Now, it is close to 200, then I notice that into 5. So, I gave you the enough clue, and this is your time starts 30 seconds. Answer it. Come on, answer it. Oh, Prashanti, you answered this. Great, great, great. And today is the short session, only 10 questions I am going to discuss here. Please do not get disappointed. On Monday, we will come out with a lot of new questions. Come on. At your end, 11 seconds, I already gave the clue to you. Look at this number. Here it is into 5, here it is into 6, and your time, I repeat your time. Who is the first person to answer the question? Who will be the first person to answer the question? And this time Prashanti. Wow, wonderful. 42 if it is right, she says option C. Check the answer. Well done, well done. Option C is correct, my dear friend. So, I am very happy, you are highly talented when it comes to this part. So, I notice that here I will go for into 6 to identify, because there is a wrong number. So, somewhere wrong number is there, wherever I identify the logic I will start doing with that. So, this is 6030 is over here, and I can see that 36, I can see that into 6 plus 6 square. So, what is this one? Now, it could be into 5 plus 5 square, that is 25. As there is a wrong number, the very first thing I will place all these one. Solution for success. Did you answer it? Did you answer it? Anusha, option C. That's great. That's great. So, now I will put the sequence first over here. So, into 4 and into 3, 6, 5, into 3 and then into 2. What happens? I am getting 8 plus 4. So, look at the relation, my dear friend. So, into 2 plus 2 square, then into 3 plus 3 square should be there over here. Into 3, 12 3 is 36 plus 9 is 45. No, 36 no. So, 12 3 is 36, 36 plus 3 square is 9. So, it should be 45. So, 42 is the wrong number. All of you have rightly answered it. Did solution for success answered it? I do not think so. Now, come on, here is the next question for you, and the problem is that in my mobile phone it start playing ads. So, yeah, come on, but don't forget to download the app is online from the Google Play, and go to the course, and you will find that the banking course will be there. Recorded courses for hundreds of hours, recorded course is there. Please make the use of it with a minimum fees of rupees 750 for 3 months. Come on, let me see that anyone answer the question here. I don't put any animation to this. I am looking for, oh my God, what a talented lady. And Prashanti has said 65. Anyone has any different opinion? In the most of the question it was Prashanti who answered first. In some of the questions, solution for success, you answered first, but most of the question it is Prashanti. Okay, option D, let me check that option D is correct or not. 65 we are talking about. Okay, for that the clue, the moment, look at this, Prashanti, Anusha, solution for success. These two numbers are so easy that the moment you look at this one, it is in nothing but into 0.5. Yes or not, my dear friend? The moment it strikes in your mind that it is a multiplication going on in a fraction, then from here to here I notice that it is 1.5. Done. Okay. So, this is into 0.5, this is into 1.5. So, what it should be the next one? So, is it 2.5? If I go for into 2.5, let me this clear this part, and then I will go for. But before that, you people answer the question, is it option D 65? Okay, let me check the answer. Let me check the answer, and if right, the Prashanti is the first lady to answer the question, and option D. Well done, well done. Okay, that's good. Into 0.5 and wait for the last question. Today season is short, but again the Monday I will take complete 1 hour. So, from here to here 1.5, and from here to here, could it be 2.5? If it is 2.5, then 48 plus 24, that is 60. Then I will check into 3.5, I am getting this number or not. So, 60 into 3, 180 plus half of 60, that is 30. 180 plus 30, 210. That's right, that's right. Well done, well done. The next question and the last question is on the board. Last question is on the board. No clue, no clue, answer it. Your time starts now. And can Prashanti be once again the very first lady to answer the question? Once again Prashanti madam can be the first person to answer the question. Can she defeat solution for success? I will be very happy, solution for success, if you can give your real name so that I can address you with your name. Who will be the topper in this particular question? And today's session I said is short, only for 30 minutes, and please join on Monday, don't forget that. Your time is up, your time is up. Okay, come on. Okay. Now, when I look at the whole question, so very clearly it indicates that, no, not so clearly. I can view this as 70 and I can view this as 280. So, 7 4 is 28. So, in that way I can see that into 4. So, I will wait for at least 1% response. Wow! Once again the Prashanti madam has tried it, and 8196, that is what, okay. I am extremely sorry, that is 8196. Okay, let me check that. So, here it is into 4, 9 is 36, carry 3 here, and 4 6 is 24 plus 3 is 27 over here, and I notice that it should be minus 4 here. Okay, when I come over here to here, if I go for into 5, so let us see that 5 to 10. So 5 to 10 carry 1, and 5 7 35 carry 3, and 10 and 13, and here it is plus 5. Okay, okay. So nicely, I am proud of you, Prasanthi. You answered a beautiful question here, minus 4 plus 5. So what is the relation over here to here? Then I notice that into 5 into 4, then it could be into 3 and it could be into 2 in this format. So then what happens, into 2 that comes 24 over here, and then minus 2, okay, minus 2. Correctly answer the question, madam. So can you see that minus 2 and here something minus and plus. So obviously it should be plus here. So that is 22 into 3, then comes 66 and plus 3. Oh, beautifully you answered, madam. I am talking about Prashanti. So that is minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5, then it should be minus 6. And coming to the multiplication over here, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So please allow me to check. I am sorry, I put the wrong number over here. So that is 6 5 is 30 plus 6 is 36, carry 3, 36 plus 3 is 39 over here, am I right? Okay, 39 and then comes carry 3, 13 3 is 39 plus 3 is 41. Is that the answer you said? 81, 81, okay. Did I slip the calculation over here? Did I slip the calculation over here? Let me check this one. Then I should go for into 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 5 is 30, carry 3, and 36 plus 3 is 39, carry 3, and 13 carry 3. And 13 6 is 78, 78 plus 3 is 81 and plus minus 6. So rightly said 8184, am I right? 8184. Is that the answer you said? Wow, well done, well done. Final time I gave the wrong, now put it, sir. Okay, that's right, and MSF Upendra sir, thank you very much for joining. So today was the short session, so please do come. If you are writing the banking exams, please take that ACE online course. It is only 750, but all the important questions, introduction, practice videos, then previous year videos of each chapter and each subject and each chapter is mentioned there. With this, thank you very much. Wish you all the best to all of you.